Good morning. I'm going to show you how I set up my EDCI 270 folder in my Google Drive for secondary education learning environments. So first what I did when I got onto my Google Drive, I went to New and I picked Folder, which I already have the folder made, so I'm going to click on the folder. And here in the folder you can see I have many of things. So I did a folder for each case study, so 1 through 4. And then I also did one for resources that I'm going to use, chapter quiz reviews, blog posts, and passport badges. So I'm going to go into my passport badges and say I want to share something with someone. I'm going to click on this. I'm going to go up here to this right-hand corner. I'm going to type in a name, and I can type my mom's name in. I'm going to go here, and I'm going to share it with her. And that is how you share a document with someone.